Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities. Reports come in claiming that a mysterious hole has formed in the middle of the state of Maryland, Baltimore. Nothing has happened at this time, however you are asked to stay away from the center of Baltimore. It is unsure if this hole is dangerous or not. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all further updates. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department. The hole mentioned in the last alert sent out an hour ago has been swallowing local civilians in Baltimore. The hole is growing at a pace that cannot be calculated at this time. If you live in the state of Maryland, you are asked to shelter in place at this time. If you live in Baltimore, it is advised that you evacuate immediately and drive at least 5 miles away from the city. Make sure you have enough food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and battery-powered radio. Make sure to tune to WMKTV 27 for any and all further updates. Normal programming has been suspended due to a state of emergency. The emergency alert system has been activated. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department. The hole is starting to grow outside the city of Baltimore. It is predicted that the hole will expand to the rest of the state, but it's unsure due to the hole expanding at a very low speed. Remain in your shelters until further notice. Please stay tuned to this station any and all further updates. Immediate evacuation for the entire state of Maryland. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department in conjunction with the Maryland state government. The hole is expanding rapidly throughout the entire state. The entire state of Maryland is being asked to evacuate immediately before the hole swallows everyone whole. It is unknown where this hole takes people, but it is speculated that it is no good. Evacuate now. Please stay tuned to the station for any and all further updates. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. A hole that started in Baltimore, Maryland has expanded all throughout the entire United States. It is unknown when the hole will disappear. For now, everyone is asked to evacuate out of the United States. The United States National Guard will escort you out of the state and into a safe zone in Canada and Mexico. Let's hope that this won't spread to the rest of We interrupt normal programming. This is a global emergency. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this alert. A hole that started in Maryland, Baltimore in the United States, and spread into the rest of the country has begun to spread in the rest of the northern continent of Earth. The hole is also spreading to the rest of the world. Gather your loved ones and pray to your gods in hopes that you, your family, and your friends survive this phenomenon. There is no hope so far. However, we will try to stay on the air to provide any news or information we gather. The Global Emergency Alert System has been activated.